Hello everyone, welcome to Business School 101. Have you ever wondered how successful businesses develop and organize their strategies? Or how companies ensure all aspects of their business, from customer relationships to revenue streams, work together effectively? The answer often lies in a tool called the Business Model Canvas. But what exactly is the Business Model Canvas? What components does it include? What are its major benefits and limitations? In this video, I'll discuss these questions with you and provide step-by-step guidance. Section 1, Definition. The Business Model Canvas, BMC, is a strategic tool designed to help companies visualize and align all the components of their business model. Created by Swiss business theorist, Alexander Osterwalder, the BMC breaks down a business model into 9 key building blocks that cover the core aspects of how a business creates, delivers, and captures value. By laying out all the elements of a business on a single page, companies can get a clear picture of how each part interacts, ensuring a cohesive strategy. Section 2. Key components. The Business Model Canvas includes 9 building blocks, each representing a critical part of the business. Number 1. Customer segments. This block identifies the different groups of people or organizations a business serves. It helps companies define their target audience and understand their specific needs. For example, a company like Netflix serves both individual consumers and businesses that use its platform for educational content. Number 2. Value propositions. This block explains what value a company delivers to its customers. It highlights the products and services that solve customer problems or fulfill their needs. For example, Netflix's value proposition is offering a vast library of entertainment, accessible on demand, at a competitive price. Number 3. Channels. This block outlines how a company delivers its products or services to customers. Channels can be physical or digital, and they help the business connect with customers. For example, Netflix uses its online streaming platform and app to deliver content to its audience. Number 4. Customer relationships. This block defines how a business interacts with its customers. Companies may focus on personal assistance, automated services, or community building. For Netflix, customer relationships are largely automated, with personalized content recommendations based on viewing history. Number 5. Revenue streams. Revenue streams represent the ways a business makes money from each customer segment. Companies can generate revenue through direct sales, subscriptions, advertising, or other models. For example, Netflix generates revenue primarily through subscription fees. Number 6. Key resources. This block outlines the assets a business needs to deliver its value proposition. These can be physical, intellectual, financial, or human resources. For Netflix, key resources include its streaming platform, content library, and data analytic systems. Number 7. Key activities. These are the most important actions a company must take to make its business model work. For example, Netflix's key activities include acquiring content, producing original shows, maintaining its platform, and optimizing user experience. Number 8. Key partnerships. This block identifies external partners who help the business succeed. Partnerships can include suppliers, distributors, or other companies that complement the business. Netflix partners with content creators, internet service providers, and device manufacturers to ensure its platform runs smoothly. Number 9. Cost structure. The cost structure outlines all the expenses a business incurs to operate. These can include fixed and variable costs like salaries, marketing, technology, and content acquisition. Netflix's major costs include producing original content and licensing third-party shows and movies. Section 3. A step-by-step guidance. Let's use FreshBites, a fictional meal delivery company specializing in organic and locally sourced food, as an example. Number 1. Customer segments. FreshBites targets several distinct customer groups, including health-conscious consumers, busy professionals, and corporate clients. Young professionals and families looking for quick, organic meals delivered to their homes make up the core of its consumer base. Number 2. Value propositions. FreshBites aims to deliver convenient, healthy meals that promote sustainability and support local farmers. Its core value lies in offering organic, eco-friendly meals delivered directly to customers' doors, making it easy to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Number 3. Channels. FreshBites reaches its customers through a combination of digital and physical channels. Its primary channels are its website and mobile app, where customers can browse menus, place orders, and manage subscriptions. Social media and email marketing help engage with customers, promoting new offerings and providing updates. Number 4. Customer relationships. FreshBites fosters strong, long-term customer relationships through personalized services, including real-time order tracking and tailored meal recommendations based on preferences and order history. Loyal customers enjoy discounts and exclusive meals through its loyalty program. Number 5. Key resources. FreshBites relies on partnerships with local farmers and eco-friendly suppliers for fresh ingredients. Its delivery fleet and technology, including the app and website, manage orders and logistics, while skilled chefs and nutritionists craft meals that meet customer preferences and dietary needs. Number 6. Key activities. FreshBites' core activities include sourcing fresh, organic ingredients, preparing meals, and managing timely delivery. Maintaining its app, website, and marketing efforts, including partnerships and community events, builds brand awareness and supports its sustainable mission. Number 7. Key partnerships. FreshBites partners with local farms, eco-friendly suppliers, and tech firms to maintain a sustainable supply chain and optimize its app and logistics. Influencers and sustainability advocates promote the brand, attracting eco-conscious customers and building loyalty. Number 8. Cost structure. FreshBites' cost structure includes both fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs, such as salaries for kitchen staff, rent for the central kitchen, and marketing expenses, are consistent regardless of order volume. Variable costs, which fluctuate based on the number of orders, include ingredients, packaging, and delivery expenses. Number 9. Revenue streams. FreshBites generates revenue primarily through subscription-based meal plans, with options for one-time purchases. Additional revenue comes from corporate catering and premium, chef-curated meals for special occasions. As you can see, the following business model canvas gives managers a clear, big-picture view of the business, helping them easily identify key areas and make informed decisions. Section 4. Benefits of the business model canvas. The business model canvas offers several advantages to businesses. Number 1. Clarity and simplicity. The BMC provides a clear and easy-to-understand visual representation of the business model, helping companies quickly identify strengths and gaps in their strategy. Number 2. Flexibility and adaptability. The BMC allows businesses to easily update and refine their models as market conditions change. It provides a flexible framework for exploring new opportunities or pivoting when needed. Number 3. Improved collaboration. Because the business model canvas is visual and easy to share, it enhances collaboration among team members, encouraging input from across the organization. Number 4. Focus on value creation. The BMC emphasizes the importance of delivering value to customers, ensuring that every aspect of the business is aligned with that goal. Section 5. Challenges of the business model canvas. While the BMC is a powerful tool, there are some challenges to consider. Number 1. Oversimplification. Because the business model canvas condenses complex business strategies into a single page, it may oversimplify certain elements and overlook critical details. Number 2. Lack of detailed financials. The BMC focuses on broad concepts like cost structure and revenue streams, but it doesn't include detailed financial planning, which is essential for running a business. Number 3. Limited long-term focus. While the BMC is effective for short to medium-term strategy, it may not fully address long-term planning, scalability, or risk management. Section 6. Summary. To wrap up, the business model canvas is a strategic tool that helps businesses visualize, develop, and refine their business models by breaking them down into 9 key building blocks. From understanding customer segments to identifying revenue streams and key activities, the BMC provides a clear framework for aligning all parts of the business. Alright, that's all for today's topic. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.